In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold, italic, and underline text in Google Docs. Whether you're drafting an important report, crafting a creative piece, or simply adjusting the format of your notes, these text formatting options can significantly enhance the readability and emphasis of your document. So, let's dive right in and explore how to use these simple yet powerful tools. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Google Doc where you want to format your text. Once your document is open and loaded on your screen, identify the specific text you wish to format. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text to highlight it. This step is crucial because Google Docs needs to know which portion of your document you're targeting for formatting. Next, let your eyes wander to the top of the page where you'll find the toolbar. The toolbar is your command center for a host of formatting options, and it houses buttons for bolding, italicizing, and underlining your text, among many others. Once your text is highlighted and your toolbar is in sight, you're all set to proceed with the formatting. To start, let's focus on bolding. Look for the bold icon, represented by a capital letter B. Click on it, and you'll see your selected text immediately transform to a bold font. Bolding is perfect for making titles, headings, or any critical points stand out. It adds weight and draws the reader's attention, making your document both functional and visually appealing. Now, moving on to italics. For this, you'll want to click on the I icon on your toolbar. Once clicked, the selected text will change to an italic style. Italics are often used to emphasize thoughts, foreign words, or book and movie titles within text. It subtly distinguishes words without altering the overall tone of your document too dramatically. Finally, let's underline some text. On your toolbar, find the icon that looks like a capital U with a line underneath it. By clicking this, you'll notice that a line appears beneath your selected text. Underlining is a classic way to emphasize and is often used in educational and official documents. It can also provide a professional look to headers and key phrases. So, there you have it. Bold, italic, and underline, 3 simple ways to format your text in Google Docs. Remember, these tools are not just about changing appearance. They're about adding meaning and clarity to your written word. Formatting can help articulate an idea more vividly, guide the reader's attention, and improve the overall flow of information. Give these a try in your next document and watch how they can transform the aura of your writing. Thank you for joining me today, and happy formatting.